Hi everyone, welcome to Foshan Xingmingda Automatic Equipment Company. Our company founded in 2014 and located in Foshan, Guangdong, China. We have more than 200 professional employees and a 12,000 square meter production workshop. We have 10 branch offices across China, as well as 1 branch office in Vietnam and 1 in Saudi Arabia. Our service covers all over China and key overseas market. Our company focuses 5 types of mechanical equipment, both the PUR wrapping machine, including hot glue and cold glue, with various specifications of 300 mm, 600 mm, 1.3 meters. Second, PUR lamination machine. Third, PUR advanced machine. Fourth, slotting machine. And fifth, we also offer high-precision woodworking equipment, such as sliding table saw, pole lock machine, and CNC 6-size drilling machine. Our equipment is widely used for processing aluminum profiles, MDF, HTF, PVC foam board, and other sheet materials. The finished products are suitable for various manufacturing enterprises such as building, furniture, doors, windows, and decorative lines. Welcome to Foshan Xingmingda. Welcome to China. We are always ready to cooperate with you with common developments and look forward to your arrival.